How to add and set up calling card for contacts in Google Phone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Are you tired of seeing the same default calling screen whenever someone calls you and want to make it more personal by adding a calling card for your contacts in Google Phone? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open the Google Phone app on a mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top. A side menu will appear. Here, tap on Settings. Scroll down a bit. Under General, find and tap on Calling Card. From here, you can customize how you see your contacts when they call by setting up a calling card. Tap on the Add button. Next, choose a contact from your list for whom you would like to set up a calling card. Once selected, you will be directed to the setup screen, where all the changes you make will appear. Below you will see three options: Camera to take a live photo, Gallery to add photos from your device, and Google Photos to use photos saved in the cloud. I will select Gallery, but you can choose based on your preference. Now, pick the photo you would like to use for the calling card. You can pinch with two fingers to zoom in or out and drag with one finger to move the image. You can even change the font style and color for the text if you want. I prefer keeping the default. Once you are happy with the setup, tap on the Done button at the top to save your changes. As you can see, the calling card has now been added for my selected contact. Now whenever you receive a call from this contact, you will see the personalized calling card instead of the default call screen. You can repeat the same process to add calling cards for other contacts as well. And that's it. You have successfully added and set up a calling card for contacts in Google Phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.